Hello, I'm Phoebe Ariss, an English teacher at British International School Abu Dhabi, and I have a real passion for working with students who are bilingual and multilingual. With a Master's in Psychology, I've always been fascinated by how language learning shapes thinking. At the British International School Abu Dhabi, a truly multilingual school where more than 60 languages are spoken, I continuously adapt my teaching to support all learners. I work closely with the EAL department, led by Claudette Olsen, to create an inclusive environment where students thrive. Research shows that moving away from an English-only approach is key. Using students' mother tongue helps them access the curriculum and deepen their understanding. One strategy I use is translanguaging, where students first brainstorm in their own language before translating ideas into English. This builds confidence and ensures deeper comprehension.
¿Tú qué piensas?
Yo creo que se debería pasar con la sangre.
I also integrate key text translations and encourage peer discussions in mother tongue before sharing back with the class in English.
At first it's kind of positive, but then it turns into more like him becoming more obsessive over what she did.
For parents, a simple yet powerful tool is encouraging your child to read in their mother tongue and discuss it, whether that discussion be in English or their first language. By embracing students' linguistic resources, we encourage them to gain confidence, excel in their learning, and thrive at BIS Abu Dhabi.